Yo, what up? What is going on, everybody? What is going on? Wow, that's insane. You're pissed? Tell me about it, bro. I tried to get a fucking short and I got break even and I didn't take longs. Shorts, the fact that shorts didn't play out today is actually ridiculous to me. It's actually so criminal. It's so criminal, bro. I thought that I had the nicest fucking short opportunity in. But nope. The market just wanted to create S&T at Asia highs and then pop off crazy. Like disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. I tried shorting YM's hourly order block and I got stopped to break even. Literally the second that we ran Asia lows on YM, I went break even and then price just fucking popped off. Like literally so gay. Even the 5 minute structure behind and like even this was so ugly. Like our move long was fucking horrendous. I hate this entire. Thank God I'm going on vacation. Like thank God. Thank fucking God I'm going on vacation. I mean I took 2 losses this week, but just a break even today. Us trading higher makes literally no fucking sense. Literally no sense. It actually doesn't make any sense to me. I can't believe that we're going back into the range from how we were just trading lower. It actually blows my mind. It fucking pisses me off. I'm so happy that I'm taking a break from the charts. Whew. Mm. I think this week has been tough, personally. This week has been tough for me. All of this shit has been ass. This has been fucking horrible. So ridiculous. Bro, I don't think this is, if we inverse this daily gap, bro, this thing is going to fly high. This thing is literally going to fly high. Honestly, hats off to you for not taking any trades this week. Hats off to you, bro. That's discipline right there. I'm just so sick of these ranges that indices have been playing in. Like, the only real reason why we fucking pumped so hard was because we had like a daily SMT at the previous daily low, which is a previous weekly low SMT. Like, it's actually insane that we're at that price is considering to trade higher from here. The weekly has been in a barcode for the longest time. I wanted price to finally retrace a little bit before going higher again. That would have been perfect. Today's break-even trade was an A+ rated setup. A+. And I'm going to break it down on YouTube. I'm going to break it down on YouTube for you guys. The shorts were fucking perfect. Yeah. YM weekly SMT didn't mean shit to me. I'm not gonna lie. These relative equal lows on the daily have been screaming my name for the longest time. These longs were just so fucking ridiculous. I did not like them at all. It was just not enough for me. Oh, fucking horrible. Very, very bad. Nick and Kieran took the long. I did not. I didn't like it. I personally didn't like it. It wasn't good for me. It literally wasn't good for me. I did not take the longs. Shit was not my favorite. Oh, man. We have FOMC meeting minutes today, but that doesn't really mean anything. Honestly, shouldn't matter with what happens to the price. Holy shit. I genuinely don't understand this slow grind. This is mental. Fucking ridiculous. Ridiculous. Fuck that. You're down 17%? How? 17% is a lot, brother. How much are you risking? How much are you risking per trade? How's the gym going, bro? Still grinding? Yes, sir. I'm actually going to make a. I'm going to the gym after this, but then I'm supposed to do legs, but I'm not doing legs because I'm snowboarding Friday and Saturday, and I don't want my legs sore as hell.
On you, oh, bro, it's okay to take a loss. Come back tomorrow, nigga. There is no tomorrow. I'm making this shit back today. I don't know. Fuck.
No. Let's see. Motherfucker, this market is literally a pain in the ass. Oh, this market is a pain in the ass. What did I learn from today? What did I learn? Oh, wait. Oh, am I longing that gap? I just have this 30-minute gap marked off. I'm not gonna lie. Just kind of like just peeping it. Oh, my bad. These questions came in so late. My bad, bro. I didn't see a lot of these questions. Wow, I'm stupid. Holy fuck. Hold on, let me go up. Wow, I'm sorry, guys. Let me just rapid fire these questions. Looking at Dow Jones shorts currently, look at the shorts down into the 30-minute gap, or look for a 30-minute SMT. Because there's SMT at the highs. How do you get out of the break-even phase? Break-even phase, getting out of that will come in due time. You just need to be patient and just continuously executing, following your good habits. Once you continuously do good habits, profitability will be a byproduct automatically. You just need to submit to time on the charts and continuously execute your process that you know works. Is it normal to change bias like today? Yeah, like you just got to adapt. Obviously, I adapted based off of like my short bias. My short bias flipped, and we had an SMT at the Asia lows like this with NQ and ES, or with NQ and the Dow Jones. So immediately when that happened, I jammed my stop break even. I had no risk onto the trade. I was completely fine with price reversing and taking me out because I knew that if it reversed, it was because of the SMT at the session lows. I will make a vlog for this weekend. Yes. What did I learn from today? I mean, I didn't learn realistically anything. I just executed my model. I just traded based off of how I know trade, how I know to trade. What am I looking at for the day? I'm not doing anything for the rest of the day. I'm not taking any more trades. Basically, what I could say is if price has a continuation long from, like, let's say the 30-minute gap or hourly gap on NQ or ES that forms at 12, then you can maybe get something off. But I'm not longing this high into the range. That's not going to happen. You would need, if anything, it would be a retracement on the Dow Jones here to then target these highs here. Managing your emotions in trading is something that will come in time. Like, I can't tell you something that will make you flip your emotions. Your emotions is something that you control yourself and you handle on your own. What's up, Luke?
That's cool. So
maybe we can get something like this to that. Into that 30-minute gap. Or it just runs from this 30-minute SMT that we have right now. But I doubt. Luke, did you take anything today? Dun, 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 dun. Cut the box out of the line. What the? Yeah, dude, I'm honestly thinking daily inverse. I'm thinking daily is going to inverse, and then next thing you know is who knows? Daily inverse for value gap. And then price is probably going to just target all those highs above. That's my guess. We'll see how this daily candle closes, but if we inverse this, I don't see why we wouldn't go here, bro. You know? Took a break even on shorts and couldn't get in. I literally took the same exact thing, Luke. Literally the same exact thing. Break even on shorts, and I couldn't get into the longs. And it is what it is sometimes, bro. That's how the market will be. That's How the market will be sometimes, brother. That's how the market will be, my man. Much love, Brody. We could. We really could. It's literally all dependent on that daily IFEG. Daily IFEG, we fucking close that off. It's literally a wrap for it's a wrap for index futures. And then it's going to go to 25,465. What'd you say, Nick? I already asked you that question, bro. I asked how much are you risking, and you didn't answer me. I want to know how much you're risking on your accounts, or how much are you risking per account, whatever it might be. I want to know that. If you could tell me how much you're risking, bro, then I'll help you out. Yeah, I don't know how longing today really made sense too. Shorts were completely valid. Couldn't agree more. Couldn't agree more. Totally get you there, bro. Totally get you there. Love is great, love is blind. Bum, 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 bum. Hit the box out of line. I trade all my accounts at the same time. Always. Always, my boy. Dog, I'm not gonna lie. If you spam the same thing over and over and over again, I'm going to literally, I'm gonna kick you out. Today's order flow is not trapped. Jeez. Trade $30 per trade on a 5K eval. $30 per trade. What's your max drawdown on the account? You tell me that. This is so dead. My God. Daily range is probably capped off. Nick, if you could tell me what your max drawdown is for your account, that'd be great. I'm really not a fan of gold, bro. This is my example of trapped order flow. between a bullish gap and a bearish gap with SMT on both sides. This is my example of trapped order flow. Genuinely not a fan of that sort of stuff. Yeah, it took a break even short, and then Nick and Kieran caught a long that I just didn't get on side. I didn't like it. The longs on the 5 minute really weren't clean to me like this. This was the longs on the 5 minute that they took, and this wasn't a clean breaker in my opinion. So you have $500 max drawdown. 500. How are you down 17%? What is 5,000 times? So you have 10%. How are you down 17% when the max drawdown is 10% of 500? Yeah, in hindsight, it looks good, but I didn't like how this. First of all, one, you're longing an SMT that was already placed in at all these highs, and I was still in more support of the daily bearish SMT. Something's not clicking here, Nick. I would risk 500. I would risk $50 per trade. Oh, you're 17%. Oh, you're calculating in that way. 17% of 500. Okay, never mind. But if I were you, I would risk $50 per trade. Personally, I would keep your risk consistent at $50 per trade. That is what I would do. And you're only down $85. One trade and you're back and you're in profit. Don't rush it. You're good. No stress. I want to remove this, remove all this. So I'm going to record this video. Down, down, down. If I don't have a clean V-shaped recovery, then I can't take the trade. I would have 100% taken it if we had like a 5-minute IFUG set up here, aligned with the breaker. It just was not enough for me. Blue Guardian should not be giving you any doubts, brother. It's just a majority of the people that are asking questions just can't read between the lines. Yeah, no, guys, I will not be streaming tomorrow because I will be flying to Colorado. So I will not be present, unfortunately, for the stream tomorrow. Guys, I'm looking at this 30-minute gap on YM here. Let's do another minute. Let's see. I need to think of a word. Ooh, I got a good word. I got a good word. All right, I'm going to pull up the YouTube chat. No, it's not a body part. Bro, eventually over the summer, I'm just going to start doing like when price action just gets boring as hell. I'm just going to do fucking gambling streams. I can't do stake because it's not allowed here. I would do like shuffle. I'm going to say the word in 18 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. It's one word. It's one word. 3, 2, 1. Snowboard. Because that is what I'll be doing this weekend. Snowboard. And shit. Okay. That was pretty smart, Gideon. L.L.1618 and then dude ISOPX3T. Right there. for you guys to see it. That is on my phone. Those are the two winners right there. You guys got fucking lightning speed internet. I'll say that again. Those are the two winners to claim your accounts for the Blue Guardian Futures 50Ks. So make sure you guys are able to claim them in their Discord. Open up a ticket. If it doesn't get settled, let me know. Tag me, and I'll make sure it gets escalated. But you'll definitely get situated. For the remainder of the day, we have FOMC meeting minutes at 2 o'clock. Now, there is continuation plays that you could potentially take, aka being from the hourly bullish fair value gap or from the 30-minute bullish fair value gap here. You guys can pay attention to those. Set your alerts 6907.25. Set your alert on the Dow Jones 49,813. Set your alert on the NASDAQ at 2521.5. So make sure you guys, if you are watching the charts, pay attention to it. If the reaction is proper, take the trade. If not, don't do anything. But I will have a YouTube video breaking down the trade that I took this morning, the break even, and then also following up with the longs that Nick and Kieran took as well. So make sure you guys are having notifications on for that. When that goes live, it should be live within the next hour. But be safe, guys. Have a great rest of your day. Have a fantastic weekend. And I will be back live streaming with you guys all on Tuesday. Take care, everybody. Much love and good luck. Good trading. Deuces, everybody.